Start.
Hello friends, I think that today we are here so let's start the session. In my view, pollution has become one of the major problems in the world, and it is causing monetary loss, and we have to spend a lot of water disease that are caused by the pollution. And pollution makes anything unfavorable like soil, water, etc. And people face so many bad effects on their health due to pollution. So would you like to say something?
I would like to say something. Please let me complete my point. Then you carry on. Okay, you please carry on, my friend.
Global warming record the average temperature of the earth increased to minimum 2 degree Celsius, and we know that the global warming is increasing due to the chlorofluorocarbon and any other gases. So we know that if we can stop the global warming too, and reduce the effect of global warming. So we should start the many campaigns. So
I would
like to say something here. My dear friends, first of all, we talk about what is the global warming. Global warming is the biggest thing all over the world, and global warming is increasing day by day. And we talk about why and how global warming is. As you know that, my dear friends, the light comes from the sun in the form of short waves, and it reflects from the earth in the form of long waves. And in this process, so many types of greenhouse gases that are first is nitrous oxide, and second CO2, and third is methane gas. It's the biggest factor in the increase in the field of increasing global warming. So we should take some bare steps to control these gases.
Yes, friends, I would like to say something, my dear friends. Global warming is a big problem all over the world, and it affects animal, plant, human being, and it is very dangerous for our environment. Would you like to say?
Also play a major role to increase the global warming. And global warming is increase the average temperature of our Earth, and glaciers are melted by the global warming. In global warming, there are so many human activities. They play a major role to increase the global warming. And due to the increasing population, home appliances are also increasing, and due to this they increase the carbon monoxide and methane gas, which hazard our ozone layer, and ozone layer which we protect from the UV radiation which come from the sun. So would like to
I was saying global warming is increasing day by day. The increased temperature of planet called global warming. After industrialization, we can see that the pace of global warming is increasing rapidly, and currently we are observing that we are facing unexpected rains and droughts, etc., which cause lot damage to global economy as well as human life. So would you like to?
carry on. So I was saying that the main cause of global warming is pollution. The pollution is when we throw the garbage anywhere, and the garbage is land filled with the dust and soil. So they release the toxic gases like chlorofluorocarbon and methane gases, which is harmful for our environment and create global warming also.
Yes, friend,
Would you like to say something here, my friend?
Friends, as we know that global warming means it is the increment in the temperature of Earth's surface and oceans. And there are many reasons of global warming, like smoke coming from the factories, also one of the major reasons for global warming, because many factories releases very dangerous gases like methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and etc. And these gases harm our environment so much. So I think our government takes some preventive steps to against these companies.
Yes, friends, I would like to say something. Let me complete my point. Then global warming is a major issue nowadays, because release pollution day by day. So I think it is a very global warming is a major issue nowadays. So we can reduce it in many ways like recycling, and we are controlling e-wastage, and I think this is a good step to controlling global warming.
Global warming is one of the problem of our world, which is not a good thing, because there are a lot of reasons behind the global warming. There are some trees Then you know that trees are which such things which observe the dangerous gases like CO2 and methane from the environment. But after cutting the such trees, a lot of problems have to face our human health.
Yes, I would like to say something.
So I was saying that this topic is related to global warming, and the global warming means in case the high temperature of Earth's surface and oceans, and it is very harmful for our environment because it creates many types of toxic gases like carbon dioxide and chlorocarbon, and it is many diseases like different heart attack. So according to this, our government should be take off steps and control it.
Yes, I would like to say something. Excuse me, let me finish my point. Carry on. So I was saying that the use of fuel vehicles are playing a very important role to increase the pollution, because friends, as we know that vehicles which run on the petrol and diesel are very harmful for our environment, because it reduces very harmful gases and poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and many other different types of poisonous gases which harm our ozone layer, because friends, as we know that ozone layer protect us from the UV rays which are harmful for not only for our human but also for the earth. So would you like to?
I was saying that batteries are releasing chemicals and polluted water. In most of the cases, that water goes to pools and river. From there, animals drink it and they fall ill, and they face so many diseases. And so, government of all the countries should come together and take some anti-pollution steps. Otherwise, the future situation is going to be worse. So,
I was saying that so please maintain the decorum. Speak one by one. Please carry on.
So I was saying, please. Yes, my dear friend, I would like to say something here. Nowadays, as we know that number of vehicles is increasing day by day. This is a major problem of increment of global warming. So I think we should contribute to save our environment. Would you like to say something?
Yes, my friend, I would like to say something that we know that global warming means increasing the temperature of the earth, and we know that the why is increasing the temperature of the earth and the industrialization. We know that the huge number of industrialization and the setup in our country, and so we know that it's an effect on our glaciers. So we know that last year recently report in a South America continent, country named Venezuela, recently they lost two glaciers. So we should protect our glaciers and we should start our. Yes, my dear friend, I am highly satisfied with you. As you know that, my dear friend, so many types of harmful gases emitted from the factories, chimneys and industries. That is very harmful for our environment, and this is the biggest factor to increase the pollution level. And as you know that, my dear friends, pollution is the most issue to increase the global warming. So my dear friends, we should take some serious steps to control global warming.
Yes, sir.
Maintain the global warming because it causes many diseases and also affect our environment, because we are not maintaining its temperature increase and many crops destroyed by the burning of the global warming, and many of the glaciers melting and cause of very destroy, and many places like we live in the near of the ponds and many rivers. Would you like to say?
Yes, carry on. I was saying due to global warming, ice is melting from glaciers rapidly. So the level of the sea level is increased day by day, and the sea level is the beginning of the existence of many small islands like Maldives and Fiji, etc. So would you like to say something?
Friends, global warming is one of the major problems all over the world, and it can be increased by we can use fossil fuels and petroleum in our vehicles, and our government has also